Hi, my name is Nicholas Kraemer, and the field I chose to shadow in was physical therapy. The reason I chose to shadow physical therapy is because I have never broken a bone in my body, and I wanted to go into a new field I knew nothing about. I studied under Eric Wonderley, who is a physical therapist at the rehab. Eric was awesome to work with each and every day. Eric ensured he showed me not only how to do certain things, but followed with an explanation on why he does it. I learned so much in such a short time. The problem I want to address is working out a better schedule for both the patient and the therapist, and making the therapist available even when he is not in the building. My innovation is Theratap, the app you should feel good about. Many times throughout our day, we would run into roadblocks when we could get the patients from their rooms. They cannot come to therapy due to them having visitors, lunchtime, or they were sleeping as they did not sleep the night before. My innovation will focus on allowing patients to choose a time, as some patients work better in the morning than the afternoon. Oftentimes, Eric had lunch at 10 a.m. and then 3 p.m. the next day. It was very out of order and made his day very stressful. Applying for the Biomedical Sciences program was one of the best decisions I've ever made. The physical therapy field greatly interested me while I was in my experience, but this fall I will be attending Hartford Community College, where I will be turning my interest into a trade, hopefully heating and air conditioning, to continue my career.